am wondering, yung mga donation po tuwing bagyo, tuwing like Ondoy, na galing po sa ibang bansa like Japan or America, saan po yun napupunta and saan po yun nilalagay? And how do we track that? Because it's been my wish po since I started into blockchain 2017. Gusto ko po sanang makita yon kasi I saw with my personal eyes na may mga donations na binawi after mag-picture taking. So I want to know kung saan po yun manggagaling at saan mapupunta at sino ang tumatanggap.
DBM or in the DOF? Mayroon bang is there a log of all of those donations?
Okay. So sir, sa Mr. Chair, for the donation po, normally po kasi step 1 po niyan is dadalhin po dito yan sa Philippines yung mga goods na i-donate sa atin. Yung mag-donate po sa atin will have to apply for importation for tax exemption for importation of this item. So DOF has a log of all those coming in na import na mga donated goods. But as to yung kung actually na distribute po sa agency o kung simple new recipient, we don't have that.